The IFERROR function in Excel generates a custom value as a result if there is any error from the formula. If there is no error, it will return the regular result. We'll use a concise data set to demonstrate containing 5 columns: product, quantity, total cost, ratio using IFERROR. Initially, we keep all cells in general format besides the total cost column, which is in accounting format. We've also made the final column, column E, in accounting format as well. One of the most common uses of the IFERROR function in Excel is where there is the possibility of an error being returned. So let's test this out. We're going to click in D5, and the error that we're going to be looking at is the div/0, which means you're trying to divide by 0. So I'm going to go ahead and click equals. I'm going to click on C2 divided by B2, which is going to give us that $3. Now when I autofill this, it's going to, let me try that again. Got to get right on it. There we go. Now I force that div0 error. So if we want this instead to show a 0, we're going to do the IFERROR formula right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in, double click, and we're going to say if we get this error, comma, 0, it's going to display a 0 instead of the div0 code unless it's going to display the actual number. So when we do this, the first one is 3. Now we're going to go ahead and autofill this, and there we go. So now this has been replaced by 0.